Hi everyone. Welcome to our math time. Today I have a very short question. It looks easy, but many people make a mistake. Are you ready? Let's go together. What's the answer for this one? Do it in 20 seconds, and your math feeling is the best. Try solving this problem now. Today, we will practice problems that include multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, all inside the parentheses. These problems can be tricky, because if you don't follow the order of operations correctly, you can get the wrong answer very easily. Key is to handle the multiplication and division inside the parentheses first, and then move on to addition and subtraction. Be sure to follow the order of operations. Solve another problem like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next video.